Good morning. Thank you for joining me for part 2 of Meditation for Kids. This will be focused on the dolphin breath. Sometimes when you think and focus for a really long time, you need a dolphin breath to reset your mind and lighten your mood. I know lots of times during the day when I could use a big dolphin breath to clear my head. And you might find that during your online learning or your time at home, this comes in really handy. Just do a little bit of meditating for yourself. So the first thing we do, you might remember from part 1, is to zip up. So we sit in our cross-legged position in our quiet, comfortable spot somewhere in our home, and we pretend we have our jacket on. We have a zipper, and we're going to zip up and straighten our back up. Ready? Okay, now that our back is nice and tall, our legs are crossed, we're going to make our sunglasses with our hands. Follow me. Very good. Imagine now that you are a dolphin and you have a hole at the top of your head. It's called a blowhole, and it helps you breathe in and out. Right here on the top of your head is your blowhole. Take a slow breath in from your blowhole and let it out through your mouth. Focus all your attention on your head. As you slowly breathe out, imagine the air flowing out your dolphin tail. Good job. We're going to do that 5 times. So in through the blowhole, out through the dolphin tail. Great job. Now to help you focus, we're going to take our finger on our right hand and tap the dolphin's head. Tap your head just a tiny bit. As you breathe in, you're now going to trace the dolphin's back all the way down in front of you. So tap the dolphin's head and let the air out as you trace the dolphin's back. Let's try that a couple of times, three times. Great job. Sit for a moment now and see how your mind feels. Take a couple of relaxed breaths, and you can continue to do the dolphin tracing if you need to relax more. Now you can open your eyes and smile like a playful dolphin and go jump in the waves. The best time to do this meditation is when your mind feels full to the brim after concentrating, or maybe after a Zoom session with your class. The dolphin meditation is great for just bringing your breathing to a slow pace and clearing your mind. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.